How to detail and successfully sell or trade in your vehicle. Greetings. My name is Joe Connolly and I'm the owner of Make My Auto Shine, a mobile auto detailing business. Are you looking to clean up your vehicle before selling it? You can either hire a detailer or do it yourself. Detailers can typically do it more efficiently, and they use stronger chemicals and specific tools to deliver better results. Detailing it yourself will add value in the form of sweat equity, but it may take a considerable amount of time along with the purchase of tools and chemicals that you may have little need for in the future. If you choose to go the DIY route, this video should prove to be helpful in the steps that you may want to consider taking. A pre-sale detail has three main goals. Number one, get the vehicle looking as good as possible. Number two, so that the vehicle will sell as quickly as possible. And number three, for as much money as possible. And keep in mind, the goal is to do all this while minding the budget so as not to sink a ton of money into a vehicle that you will be getting rid of soon. The bottom line financial goal is to increase the value of the vehicle by at least $350 and up to $600 just because it's extra clean and it will show better than a non-detailed vehicle. The recommended minimal steps for a pre-sale detail include removing all personal items and any clutter. Degrease the engine bay, dress plastics, taking care not to saturate alternators, electronics, or exposed air filters, etc. Clean out and wax door jambs and scrub the kick plates. Clean out and vacuum the trunk, thoroughly vacuum the passenger cabin, and then shampoo cloth or fabric seats and carpeting. And now is a great time to address any odors in the passenger cabin. Spot treat stains in order to remove them or blend them in so that they are not as noticeable. Wipe down and dress the dash and hard plastic surfaces in the passenger cabin. Wash the vehicle, add a layer of spray wax to the paint, and dress the tires. Use a mixture of distilled water and isopropyl alcohol to clean the inside and outside glass. If you are selling it privately, you may be asked by the potential purchaser to have the car taken to a mechanic of their choice for a pre-purchase inspection. This is actually a good sign, as it indicates a strong interest in the eventual purchase of the car. Providing a potential purchaser with the detailed maintenance records assures them that the car has been cared for and what was done and when to the vehicle. You may want to redact any personal information such as email, cell number, or credit card numbers on the various invoices and put them in chronological order to make it easier to browse. You should also take pictures of the exterior at various angles to show all body panels and condition, the interior to show the condition of the seats, the VIN sticker on the door panel, the instrument cluster to show actual mileage, and the center stack to show radio, infotainment, navigation, etc. These pictures can then be used to advertise the vehicle online should you choose to go that route. It is imperative to research your vehicle and the current wholesale and retail prices in your area so that you offer for sale at the price point that will bring in the most serious buyers. If you will be trading it in, contact the dealership ahead of time with the VIN number and mileage and ask who on staff can you talk to about having your vehicle evaluated for trade-in purposes. By setting up an appointment ahead of time and considering the fact that it is usually the used car manager who is tasked with this responsibility and many others, you will likely establish a better tone for the negotiation process. Keep in mind that the faster a car dealer can put your car into their inventory, the more likely they are to give you top dollar for your trade. This means bringing your registration and title if you will be executing a trade-in on the same day it is evaluated. And if you've hung in this long, here's a bonus tip for you. Try to avoid negotiating both the new car purchase price and the trade-in price on your old car at the same time. It's best to arrive at an agreeable price on the new car first, and then negotiate the trade-in value of your current vehicle. By keeping these two items separated, it's easier for you as a customer to see the big picture. Realistically, this also helps the dealer as they now know what the projected profit margin is on the new car and can better value the trade-in according to what the recent sales prices were on comparable vehicles, either through local auctions or through their other sources of data collection.